Box 2, over.
4730-25 to Amtrak 135 East, okay, at 943, 0943, J.M.C.
Yeah, that's correct, thank you.
Back to Foreman Horn to Signal Tech, taxi, over. Coming on main 2. Main 2, okay, here we go. Foreman Horn to Amtrak 135 East, you have permission through form restriction 7519, tumble sub. Main 2 track only between milepost 273.2 and 264.8. Maximum authorized track speed unless otherwise restricted. Okay by the red track flag without stopping. Located at milepost 273.2, over.
4B7519, today's native tumble sub limits 273.2 to 264.8. Eastbound main 2 TWO track. Foreman Horn gives permission to Amtrak 135 East through these limits. Maximum authorized track speed unless otherwise restricted without stopping at your red flag 273.2, over.
Correct repeat, over.
Correct repeat. Thank you, Amtrak 135 East out.